Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate online courses with Teachable, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Teachable website and sign up for an account. If you already have an account, log in to your dashboard. Once logged in, click on the Create New School button to set up your online course environment. Choose a name for your school and select a plan that fits your needs. After creating your school, you'll be taken to the school dashboard. Click on the Courses tab on the left-hand menu to start creating your course. Next, select the New Course button to begin the course creation process. Fill in the course title and description in the provided fields to give your students an overview. Choose a course image to visually represent your course. Once your course is created, navigate to the Curriculum tab. Click on Add section to organize your course into manageable sections or modules. Within each section, click Add lecture to create individual lessons. You can choose from various content types such as video, text, quizzes, and assignments. Upload your video files or add links to your video content, ensuring quality and relevance. For text lessons, make use of the rich text editor to format your content effectively. You can also create quizzes to assess your students' understanding by clicking Add Quiz. After creating each lesson, make sure to configure any settings related to visibility and access. To automate enrollment, go to the Pricing tab in your course settings. Set up your pricing model, whether it's one-time payment, subscription, or free. Enable the drip feature if you want to release content over time to your students. Customize your payment gateways by going to the Settings tab to ensure you can receive payments. After everything is set, review all course settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once satisfied, return to your course dashboard and click on the Publish button. Announce your course launch on social media or to your email list to attract students. Monitor student progress and engagement through the analytics available in the dashboard. Adjust course content as needed based on feedback and student performance. Remember to utilize the support resources available on the Teachable website for further assistance. Following these steps will enable you to successfully automate your online courses with Teachable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.